Hi there, Melody from WTI, and this is what you need to take that chaotic electronics charging mess into not a mess. Check this cool charging station out from NANAMI. I'm so impressed with this fast charging station. There are 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Let's take a closer look. So this awesome little multi-charger is very user-friendly. I love the lights on here to let you know that things are working right. You can have Apple, you can have Android, earbuds, all sorts of things connected here to charge up to 5 things at the same time. I don't have an Apple Watch, but there's a spot on here for you to plug and charge this in as well. And bonus, it could even be used as a tablet stand for better viewing. So if you're like me and you want to clean up that electronics charging area, this will help you, I have no doubt. That's my point of view.